trusty this little fella is. We found some red-throated loons. Let's see if we can photograph that. My dream finally came true, to set my foot on Svalbard. I am here together with my work Stavanger Photo. We are hosting a workshop together with our guide Oddgeir. I have always had a dream of going out here. We started by hiking up this mountain here to overlook the northernmost city in the world, Longyearbyen. I managed to sneak up on some barnacle geese. First time here in Svalbard and really enjoying it. So many great birds and wildlife. I haven't seen too much wildlife yet, but I hope to see the fox. Oh, that would be nice. But now I'm going to try some pictures of the barnacle geese here. See if I can get some cool images. So I think I need to sneak a little bit closer. So I will do that. They are so trusty. I'm really close, but still they just now they are moving a little bit though in the water, but relaxed. The ideal would be to have calm water so I could have more reflection of the environment, so the light isn't too good, but you got to work what you have. You don't have any choice. But it was a purple sandpiper. Just, yeah, it was like flying a little past me and flew over to the stream of water. I can see it there. So maybe I'm going to try a little bit on that before I go and meet with the group. I think I'm going to go over there and see if I can find it. Look how close. Okay, okay. This is nice. Now it's starting to feed around this little cool greenish area with some water. Oh, sorry. Look how trusty this little fella is. So nice. You know, I love my shorebirds. Always nice to photograph those beautiful birds. Especially when they are like this trusty here. It's the same with the Temming stints that I photographed back in Dovre. That was amazing too because it was so trusty. I don't have too much of a shutter speed, so I don't know how many of them are sharp. This is so amazing to get the purple sandpiper in the place here where it's nesting. So I see it's almost in winter plumage though. I cannot leave, but I think I'm going to go back to the group, see what they photograph. The risk of polar bear is all over Svalbard, and it's not to be taken lightly. So therefore it's so important to know what you do. The best thing would be to use a guide that knows how to react if you see a bear. Oddgeir have lived here for 7 years and knows Svalbard, so we are in good hands under his guide. We are on our way. We found some red-throated loons, so we're going to try to photograph that. So hopefully they will come close enough. So we just found a red-throated loon floating on this little pond of water here. So we're going to try to photograph it. I've never photographed this stunning looking bird before. So, but the ideal situation here would be a calm water, but unfortunately I have to work with what we got. There's a little bit like waves on the water, but I think if I'm bringing the 2x converter, I'm going to compress some of that and hopefully going to be good. So, oh, there it is. It's a really cool bird. Always nice to photograph those water birds. I love Svalbard already. It's such a beautiful place with a landscape you can never see other than this place here. Almost feeling like you are on another planet. It's just breathtaking. Look how close. We spotted the fox. The Arctic fox. Okay, I got my dream come true. Arctic fox, really close.